shoe, hand, foot, glove, head, heart, sock, t-shirt, t-shirt. This is my head. This is my hand. This is my shoe. This is my foot. This is my glove. This is my heart. This is my t-shirt. This is my sock. Where is my t-shirt? Where is my foot? Where is my glove? Where is my shoe? Where is my heart? Where is my hand? Where is my head?